Today we're looking at how to structure a narrative, and really that comes based in the plot or the storyline. The plot's the sequence of events that happen in the story. A strong story plot has four main parts. So in the beginning there are setting and characters. Where are we at the beginning of the story? Who are we with? So in the model text we're boarding a large ship. Holly and her family and Monty are the characters. In the build-up we're adding more description, which leads in this case to the main event, which is Holly going onto the top deck and ultimately losing Monty. Then there's the conflict. This is where she realises that she's lost Monty and goes searching for him. There's lots of emotive language in that section. Then there's resolution, and that's where this conflict comes to a conclusion. Monty's found and Holly is relieved. So today we're going to show our understanding of the plot by completing this table. So you can see that on the table, there are the parts that we've been looking at: the setting, the main characters, the build-up, the conflict, and the resolution. So what we're going to do in the details section is put what we know about that section in there. So we're going to, in the details box, in the setting, I know that they are boarding an enormous ship. Okay. Now this section is providing evidence from the text. This is a key skill that we look at in reading. It's about looking back at the model text that you'll have a copy of, and it's about finding something that proves that point, that they're boarding an enormous ship. So I know it begins at the beginning of this model text. Okay. So it was bright, clear, and it was a sunny, bright and clear morning. In the distance, the enormous ship waited patiently for the passengers to board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that section like that. And then I'm going to right click with my mouse and say copy. And to come back to the place that I was working. And I'm going to paste that there. Okay. I'm now coming down to my main characters. Well, my main characters that are in this are Holly and Monty. I'm also going to put in this box that on the ship there is also Holly's family, because she may well speak to them in the conflict section where she is trying to find Monty. So it's important that we know that they're there. Now, where in the text, again going back to the beginning of the model text, does it? Holly held tightly to Monty's hand. That says that they're both there. So that's a good quote. And again, we're going to highlight it. And we're going to copy it. And we're going to paste it in the evidence section. Right click, paste. Okay, it's really important for us to continually work on this skill of finding evidence from the text, because we make a statement. These are the details of the setting, main characters, build-up, conflict, resolution. And here's where the text backs that up. So it's finding a quote that evidences what you're saying is happening in that part of the story. So you're going to continue to complete the build-up. That's where she goes up to the deck and takes Monty out on the deck and ultimately loses him. The conflict, where she realises that he is missing and goes on a search for him. And the resolution, where they're brought back together.